while we are waiting for this installations to complete, we can download ParaView. So to download ParaView, you can go to downloads and download the version that you want to download. So for Windows, you should download this version which is in zip file, and I have already downloaded ParaView 6.0.0 that you can see here. So there is a MPI version as well that requires MS MPI. So I'll again just click on download, but since I have already have this downloaded, therefore I will just stop this download. Once downloaded, if you unzip it, go to bin, you'll see ParaView here. Run this as an administrator and you'll be able to see ParaView window like this.